So Minehut changed their server management interface, and in today's Tech Quickie with Yanni Plays, I'm going to show you some of those changes and how to set up a server on Minehut. So now I did release a video not even a month ago about how to set up a Minehut server, but in there the first part now changed a little bit. However, a lot of those things in that video, and I'm going to link it here on the top right corner, a lot of those things still apply today and have not changed. So let's go ahead and reset this server here. And reset is actually the only play on how you can delete the server, because once in the dashboard you have your 2 servers or 5 servers or however many servers you have in here, you cannot remove them. But if you click on change name, you can go ahead and change the name of this server. So if you go into manage the server, and of course the server has to be running for that. So if it is not running, just click on start up here, and then you have to wait your 30 seconds while your server is starting up. So now how do I make somebody OP on this server? For that we go over into the console, and in the console you can see all the different things that happening in your server. So now in here in the command line, let's just type in a help command. So as you can see, the help command ran, and let's try it with a slash. So now this time it actually worked with the slash. Earlier today as I was trying it, it did not work with the slash. So if you have an issue in the error that says I did not find this command, just go ahead and try without the slash. But back to the topic, let's make myself as an OP, so an operator of this server. So for that we're just going to type OP and then my player name. What is Yanni? We hit enter. And now you see the server OP'd myself. Now let's go back into the settings page, and in the settings page we still have a few of the things that you know from the old Minehut interface. So for example, the visibility here, you can change that to non-visible. But now down here we have a lot of things that in an earlier version we had to run through commands, and now you can change things in here. So for example, I can change the game mode from the whole server to creative. I can change to peaceful. You can enable and disable monster spawning and all those different things, PvP. You can change your spawn protection and all those things. You also can go and you can change your whitelist in here. But of course you can still go as an OP into your server and type in the commands there, like I showed you in the last video. Now another question that I got is, well, how do I install mods? Well, now there are 2 different ways that you can install mods. Well, first of all, we have the add-ons that are now part of the Minehut shop or marketplace. And as you can see, I currently do not own any add-ons, so I cannot add any. But let's just go and hop over to the shop and see what they have. So in here you can see all the different things that they have. All of them cost some money. Some of them are fairly cheap, and let's see. Here we actually have something that is free, so let's just click on quick add to the cart. And in here, if we hop over to the add-ons, now we can see that once it loads in that I own this mod here, and I just click on install. I select what server I want it installed on. Click yes, and then of course we have to restart our server. And as you can see, now this add-on is installed. But if you would like to get any mods that you cannot find in the add-ons or in the marketplace, another way that you can do is you can change your server version over to SpongeForge. And in SpongeForge, if we go into the file manager, you can actually see the mods folder. So we have the mods folder in here, and that's where you can drop in any of your mods. So I hope this short tutorial helped you find your ways around in the new interface from Minehut. If so, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want to see more things like this one here, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you at the next video.